Hello guys, this is XFX again, and I am messing around. I'm gonna build a new PC that I got from a friend. This is my current one now that I'm running games on. Sorry, I have a cold. And this is my oldest PC with a Pentium 4, and I'm gonna use this heatsink in my new PC over there. I'm installing Windows 7 now, and it has a dual core Intel Core 2 Duo E6600 or 2.4 GHz. I'm gonna OC that to at least 2.8 or 3. And I'm gonna use this heatsink on that piece over there so I can OC. It's a copper, 6 copper directly on the CPU. And I got a green LED fan. I'm gonna take one of those fans and see if that works on this. So I have some, I don't know what it's called in English, but I'm gonna do a nice like this, right? And then I'm gonna see if I can fix this 8800 GTX. It something fell off when I baked in the oven. It was like these chips, but it looks like it's on some glue on it, so I can like glue it back, or I need to, I don't know what it's called in English, so I can't say. So it's gonna fit right there. It's a nice card, by the way. Runs pretty hot. And I got some Dr. Pepper on this show. I use some nice CPU thermal compound. So I'm gonna stay tuned. I'm gonna do some benchmarks on this PC. So see you guys later, and yeah, subscribe and rate and comment.